Tara guys, gala muna tayo. We're going to the lake, guys.
Lakeside.
Lakeside.
Where we live.
Naaman dahil po'y kalibunan dire. Libon man kayo oh. Kay Nomdo mabuta sa lala ko dati yung ano, papunta sa bundok namin. Oh. May train ano pa sila dito oh. Kanan ng train. So ayun guys, malapit na kami sa sapa.
You do. You're a quick little thing.
Bilis lang maglakad.
What animals are here? Cows, sheep?
Here we have good vision. They can't hunt. What's that?
They can't hunt during the night and day. Oh, they can hunt during the night and day.
Yeah, they can hunt.
Cutie. Thank you.
Oh, the big fish.
That's your poo. Tayo mo yan, Ima. Tayo mo.
JD Baho. Ayun.
Allowed ba mamasul Reme? Daghan kay itik diri guys pa. Lami kay manakop di amin no. Atong aslon ba pwede ba? It's not allowed pala guys. You catch already?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
May unsa may makuha nga isda dere me? Karpa? Tilapia? Hello.
Oh, yeah.
Daming na masol, no? Ganda pala dito, guys, oh. Hey, pal.
Hey, pal. Hey, buddy. We're tired.
Are you tired, guys?
Not really.
Pagod na sila sa ano, kakalakad.
Not tired, just taking in the view. So,
Just refresh.
So, ayun guys. Uwi na kami. We're just heading back home. It's a lot of spider. Dami palang ano dito, guys. Dami damang.
but yeah, we need to, next time we should do our fish and chips.
Yeah, we can sit. You know, we always have this.
Yeah,
Party
fish
here
and chips
also.
outside is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one.
Is there
It's
any
like part of the experience.
is there any close fish and chip store here?
Oh yes. Yeah.
It's part of the experience, I think, to eat fish and chips like that. It's like on a bench.
Yeah. We have a party here before, and then this train, the train is just coming back and forth.
Oh, really loud though.
Tapos na sila ng muscle, guys.
I really miss the sport with Cassandra and Josh. Yeah, because every time that Cassandra in my class,
Took it to the playground.
Dito sa ano, may ba? Yung daming ano, puno, pero walang mga wild fruits. Walang mga prutas na ano ba, katulad sa atin may bayabas. Wala talaga, no? Puro kahoy lang.
Josh and Cassandra used to jump in that
Ah,
people there. They're really happy to run around. So it's really nice memories. Yeah.
I can't imagine one day like what our children are gonna look like playing in the playground.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I ain't carrying your jacket. It's your jacket. You carry your own jacket. I've got to carry myself and my jacket. Keep up with me. Tell me to wait.
This is very nice.
daming mga puno dito pero walang mga prutas, wild fruits, wala. Kahit bayabas, mga mangga, wala. Kasi yung mga prutas pala dito, ano guys, sa UK, ano nila, yung pina-farming talaga nila. So wala kang makikita na mga wild fruits dyan sa ano, mga gubat-gubat na yun, wala talaga. Okay, Uncle Clive, which one you prefer, the Jollibee in the Philippines or the KFC?
Well, I can quite honestly say there's no comparison with KFC to Jollibee. Jollibee is far better. Far better.
Oh.
KFC is so greasy, David.
Yeah, it's really oily here in the UK.
Yeah.
It is. It's disgusting.
Jollibee in the Philippines is, when you see it, it's really crispy and yellowish, and there's no oil. Yeah.
But you have KFC in that jolly. You have KFC in Philippines.
Yeah, we have
What
as
do
well.
you think from KFC Philippines to KFC UK?
I haven't been in a KFC in the Philippines.
not?
No.
Oh,
Do you know they do
right.
just a
Sorry?
burger coating?
You've been. You know, we went to, when we stopped over in Manila, next to the hotel, and then we have the bucket of KFC.
And now we
Oh,
remember.
gosh, yeah, that was.
Good.
Is it a big difference?
Crispy, very
Is it big
crispy.
difference in the UK?
It's less oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably the same amount of oil used, but it's drained off.
The gravy
Ah.
tastes different.
Yeah, I prefer Philippine food.
Really?
Adobo, pancit,
Pancit and how about lumpia?
lumpia. Not
Sorry.
sure about lumpia. I can't remember.
Oh, you
that
don't
one.
like lumpia?
I
Spring
don't know.
rolls, Brian.
Spring rolls.
Oh yeah, spring rolls. Yeah, nice. And
How about
hello,
buwan?
hello.
It's good.
I've had a
Beautiful.
I like that.
How about buwan? You try the buwan?
I don't know.
Tuyo.
What about balot?
The dried fish.
Dried fish.
Oh my gosh, no.
You don't like the dried
It's
fish?
like the durian.
Yeah,
like
it's
durian.
it's only smelly, but it's
If you
good.
smell it, it's disgusting. But if you eat it,
It's good.
nice.
Yeah.
You ever had durian?
No, I'm not
Oh my
fish. I
gosh.
don't really like
No, it's
fish.
not fish. It's a big fruit.
Oh.
It's fruits like
I
a
know, I
jackfruit.
haven't-
Great
I
big
haven't
fruit,
tried that.
like a football.
No, no.
Yeah, but it's I want you to try that one.
You would like
But you're
it.
saying how smelly it
It
is. though.
smells disgusting.
It smells like a poo.
Yeah,
Oh,
Yeah.
oh yeah, great. I really want to try this.
Yeah.
it does. Honestly, it smells
Yeah.
disgusting, but it tastes. Oh, it really is nice taste.
And how about the balot? You try the balot?
Balot. Ah.
The egg with
The egg
stuffing.
embryo.
Oh my God, no. No. That's bad egg.
Really? I love it.
Do
I
you?
love, yeah.
That egg's about 5 years old.
No, it's
No, it's 18 years old.
It's what?
18.
18 years old.
18 years
It's
old.
18 years old.
Yeah.
Then how
Oh
is
my
there a baby
God.
duck?
It's
in it?
like you can see the embryo like that.
Oh, so that duck was
Embryo.
like 18 years
Yeah,
ago.
that's- No, 18 days.
I was gonna say
18 years. No, 18 days.
Oh.
Sorry.
I was so confused.
18 days, sorry.
No. 8 days or 18 days, I do not like that.
What food you like other than
Mango. I love mango.
I like the beef
Mango
soup.
float.
mango?
Yes,
mango
I really
float.
like mango
I
float
love
a lot.
mango
May, can you teach me how to make mango float?
You should ask King.
go to a
Ging.
website. That's all I can say.
King makes lovely.
Don't be because the
Mango
reason why
float.
It's like that, because it's quite dirty.
Oh, don't worry.
No,
Mango
you
I'm
float.
not the queen.
How about the kinilaw?
Somebody's house.
You know the
Yeah, I
Of
would
course
too.
fresh
Why
fish,
did you know? Why?
Okay.
Fish.
and then you put vinegar,
Somebody's house. I'm
Kinilaw.
going to say-
Oh.
I'm going to put
Yeah,
it back
that's
nicely,
nice.
but it's
Pickled,
a little
pickled, I
bit-
think,
it's not
pickled
dirty, but it's
fish.
a little bit faded.
Don't worry.
you know, fresh fish, and then you slice it, put onion, salt, vinegar, and you mix it.
Thought that.
Yeah, I don't know what it's called.
Me,
It's nice.
excuse me. Nakatry na ba to siya ng kinilaw?
No. Because you always say no, thank you.
Ah,
I have
you
tried
didn't
it.
try.
No, there are fish that it's raw fish. Maybe
Raw
not.
fish with sauteed onions, garlic.
Yeah.
We call it kinilaw.
I think you did.
I like the mango in the Philippines as well. Mango's
Yeah.
really good.
Yeah, it's completely different to here. The mango.
Yeah.
Mango in the
Sophie brought
Philippines.
back a suitcase full, practically.
Really?
One year we went over there, and she brought back all these.
Was that
mango.
allowed or she just snuck it?
You're allowed.
No,
Oh,
you're
really?
allowed.
No, you're allowed actually.
The
You're
fresh,
allowed.
the fresh mango.
Yeah, I said you're allowed. And there was.
We should bring some
Oh
back
God,
next time.
Because we just brought only dried.
Did you?
Yeah, dried.
She brought proper mango that you had to peel.
Yeah. I have
Ah,
always, lanzones I always do. Always.
in Australia, you're not allowed.
No, because that's
I'll take this out first.
that's
They're protecting their, you know,
different
their
regulations.
they're farmers, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, they are very, very strict.
I had the best beef soup in Tagaytay.
Yeah.
Yeah, on our honeymoon.
Oh,
That was really nice.
what is that?
Beef soup in Tagaytay.
Ooh.
And sweet and sour fish, which I actually really liked, even though I don't really like fish.
Bulalo. We call it bulalo. Bulalo in the
It was
Philippines.
batter and it was really good. Sweet and sour fish. I
Oh,
really like
yeah,
that.
it's really good.
What else do I like?
How about the sinugba? You know, the
Grilled or barbecue.
barbecue fish. You know,
Yeah.
You put
yeah.
just salt-
We always have that. You know, just
grilled
Just-
fish.
Panik always do that.
Oh, outside, yeah. I tried that before, yeah. Yeah, it's nice. I like fish, but I prefer meat.
Yeah,
Mm.
you like dried fish too, isn't it?
No, I don't like dried fish. She was...
Ima
when
also.
Sophie first moved over here,
I'll take that out.
And-
Sorry.
she invited a couple of Filipina up to my place.
And they're cooking dried fish.
Oh, that's Evelyn
And
from Bantayan.
I was sat in the kitchen, sat in the living room,
Yeah.
and the girls were in the kitchen.
When
Yeah.
you get in to the house.
And
Yeah, when
I
you
could
get
smell
in.
something, and
Somebody.
it got
Disturbing
got
smell, yeah.
stronger and stronger. And I said, "What's that smell, Jofi?" "Ah, that's the fish." Oh my gosh!
You said somebody died ages ago. It smells like a rat.
God.
Oh no.
I was planning to cook in the house. Maybe
Really?
maybe Ima will run
No,
away.
thank
I
you.
think you would.
I can't stand the smell of fish anyway at the best of times. Anything you cook,
Oh,
salmon,
I like
tuna, I hate it. I hate fish.
Fish eyes.
Oh no, I couldn't. I could not.
You
You
try.
tried it, you like
Yeah,
it?
he said-
Not me.
Ah,
Oh, you
Sophie.
will just munch on fish eyes?
I am. I ate as well.
Do you?
It's really good. Like
That's like
collagen.
something we watch on like I'm a Celebrity.
Do you have some words, Filipino words that you can speak that you know? Can you tell?
Mahal kita.
Yeah, that's the Ima knows that
I love
one.
you.
And buwang.
But you, every Filipino that I spoke with, and I said buwang, they said, naughty, bad word.
Yeah,
But it's not bad word, it just means crazy.
crazy. Yeah,
I thought Sira Ulo means crazy.
yeah. Buwang is Bisaya. Siraulo is Tagalog.
Gaga, gagu,
Gago, yeah. Gago is crazy as well.
guapo,
Guapo,
guapa.
guapa, beautiful. You didn't teach this one, Auntie Jope. You didn't teach.
Don't be bothered.
What else? You know only bad words.
Beautiful and handsome isn't a bad word. And love you.
I know a few words, but I cannot.
Sick of
How about
Musta?
kumusta?
Kamusta?
Yeah,
Kamusta? In it?
in it.
In it?
What's that? It means hot.
Hot.
Yeah, in it.
Yeah, in it.
I couldn't. I remember when I first went over.
Is that Tagalog or Visaya?
Nah, Bisaya. In it.
'cause
Mainit.
Because
Mainit in Tagalog.
Over here in England,
Mainit in Tagalog.
we say in it, as in isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Isn't it? But instead of
Hot,
saying
innit?
isn't it, we say hot in it.
Yeah, hot in it.
So I'd say when I first got over there, I'd say, "My God, it's hot in it."
Yeah.
Ah,
You know.
Filipino.
Yeah.
What? And I couldn't understand what they'd saying. You know Filipino? I said no. I just said it's hot, isn't it? Ah,
Oh yeah, because in it is
yeah.
hot. Yeah.
yeah.
So ayun guys, sa shoutout portion na tayo and unang-unang pasalamat muna ako sa lahat ng mga subscriber natin. And shout out kay Filipino-Hungarian family. Ate Jen, maraming salamat. Filipino-Czech family. Tol, maraming salamat. Waray British Vlog, thank you so much. And shout out kay Rose and Jade Bowie. Shout out kay Pinay in OC. Shout out din kay Rachel Yalong. Shout out kay Heart of Filipina Bella. Shout out kay Queen Yas Yagamos. Shout out kay Doris Vlog. Ate Doris, thank you. Shout out kay Mami Jojo. And shout out kay Jane and Tommy Live. Thank you so much. And shout out kay Ate Ninita Kimal from North Cyprus. And shout out kay Renz Rubio. Shout out kay Inday Oleng Story. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for always watching our videos. Maraming salamat talaga. And see you on our next vlog. Thank you so much, guys.